Food Chain, Chapter 3A and B. What are food chains? A food chain is a diagram that shows how each living thing gets its food. It is a type of model that shows real things that happen in the world. A food chain often starts with sun, because plants need sunlight to make food. There may be one or more animals in the food chain. Producers or consumers. Plants are called producers because they can make their own food using sunlight. Animals are called consumers because they eat plants or consume plants and other animals. What does the arrow mean in a food chain? The arrow from the sun to the grass shows that the sunlight is absorbed by the grass. The arrow from the grass to the zebra shows that the grass is eaten by the zebra. The arrow from the zebra to the lion shows that the zebra is eaten by the lion. How can humans affect the food chains? Human activities can change the number of plants and animals in a place. When humans remove trees to make farms and get wood, there is less food for the animals. Animals need to move to find foods or they may die. Sometimes humans also introduce new living things such as cats, foxes, and weeds to make the place unsafe for the animals or plants already living there. Practice worksheet. A food chain only shows living things. It's false. All the animals in a food chain are consumers. It's true. A food chain is a diagram that shows how each living thing gets its food. It's true. A producer is an animal that eats plants. That's false. A producer is a plant that is eaten by an animal.